Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Nomi Fatika Milenia from TBIC. In this video, I am going to make a tutorial of how to input data of statistic research into SPSS. So, just keep on watching. First, we need to open the data collected. Actually, I have two data collected, but now we are going to input the number one. For the number one here, it is experimental design, so we have pre-test and post-test. Copy the pre-test data score of the subject and open SPSS. After the SPSS opened, paste the data and do the same thing for the post-test data score. Now, we are going to go to Variable View. Click the Variable View down below. Change the name into Pre-test and Post-test. Move to the decimals column. Change the decimals into 0 so there is no more comma in the data score. Change the label into Pre-test and Post-test. After that, go back to the data view. Click Analyze, find Compare Means, and click Paired Samples t-test. After that, we will find pre-test and post-test in the left side. Move the pre-test and post-test to the right side by clicking the pre-test and post-test and click the arrow. So now, we can find the pre-test and post-test in the right side. Now, go to the options. Make sure the percentage is 95%, the missing values is the upper one, and continue and click OK. Here is the result of the data. There are two decision making from paired sample t-test in pre-test and post-test. The first significant value is less than 0.05. This indicates a significant difference between the initial variable and the final variable. That is, there is a significant effect on the treatment given to each variable, while the second is a significant value of more than 0.05. This shows that there is no significant difference between the initial variable and the final variable. That is, there is a significant effect of the treatment given to each variable. In the table, the significant value is under 0.05. So it means that there are a significant effect on the treatment given to each variable. So the alternative hypothesis is accepted. Now we move to the number 2, which is a correctional research design. Copy the data score of grammatical error in writing and speaking and paste it in SPSS. Now click Variable View and change the name into X and Y. Move to the decimals column. Change the decimals into 0 so there is no more comma in the data score. Fill in the label based on the variable, writing for the X variable and speaking for the Y variable. Go back to the data view, click Analyze because this is a correctional design, so find the correlate, click Bifurcate. Click the variable and hit the Ctrl and A button in your keyboard and click the arrow so that the variable moves to the right side. Checklist the person, click the two-tailed and checklist the flag significant correlations and click OK. And here is the result. From the results, it is known the value of sig two-tailed between grammatical error in writing and grammatical error in speaking, and also between the grammatical error in speaking and grammatical error in writing is less than 0.05, which means that there is a significant correlation between the variable grammatical error in writing and the variable grammatical error in speaking. So, the alternative hypothesis is accepted. Okay, that's all the tutorial of how to input statistic data into SPSS. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.